Getting shocked by live wires or buried cables during home projects is way more common than you think, and it can totally mess you up. So, before you even think about touching any electrical stuff, always make sure the circuits are completely de-energized. Like, turn off the power at the breaker box, and double check with a voltage tester so you know for sure nothing's live. If you're digging around, call the local utility or use a cable locator to spot any buried wires before your shovel hits the dirt. Never assume wires are dead just because they look old or unused. Always test. When in doubt, wear insulated gloves and boots to add an extra layer of protection. Keep your tools dry and insulated too, especially if you're working outside. If you're unsure about how to handle electrical systems safely, it's seriously worth calling a pro instead of risking a nasty shock. And remember, even a quick zap can hurt way more than you expect, so safety first always. One of the biggest mistakes people make is not turning off the power before starting work, which can lead to serious electrocution. Fix this by always cutting power at the main breaker and testing with a voltage detector just to be safe. Another common error is ignoring buried cables when digging. People don't call utility services to mark lines, and that can cause dangerous accidents. The fix? Always get utility lines marked before any digging, no exceptions. Lastly, using the wrong tools or not wearing protective gear can increase shock risk. People tend to grab whatever's handy without thinking about insulation. The best fix is to use insulated tools and wear rubber gloves and boots when dealing with electrical components. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome because it helps homeowners find trusted local contractors who really know their stuff and follow safety rules. Plus, it gives contractors a solid way to connect with people who need their skills without all the hassle.